The police are here.
Oh wow, what's going on?
Oh my god. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Kristen and I'd love to have you part of the family, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button right down below. Today's video is featuring my sister Emily.
Hi. I don't know why my hand went like that. But hi.
Yes, Emily's here today to help me out with this video. If you want to go follow her on her Instagram and YouTube and all that, everything will be linked down below. So go give her a follow and tell her I sent you. But today we are doing the letting the person in front of us order what we eat and drink challenge. So that's what we're doing. We're at Starbucks right now and we're going to go see what people are gonna order for us, pretty much.
I'm gonna yeet it over there. So
yes, there is somebody
there's someone in front of us. There wasn't anyone when we first got here, so we decided to do the intro.
Yeah.
But this lady, she looks like she's by herself. I am so hungry.
If we get one thing, I guess we have to share. Plus, we're both like hungry. Like, can you live?
Hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi, thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you tonight?
Hi, can I just get whatever the person in front of me ordered?
Yeah, let me just see what they ordered. So they got a hot chai with soy milk.
Okay, that's fine.
Okay, awesome.
Hot
Anything else for you?
That'll be it.
All right,
gonna have to
perfect.
share.
I'll see you at the window for $5.79.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I don't think I've ever had that before.
A hot chai with soy milk?
Soy. I heard soybean. Maybe it was soy milk.
Soybean. Cool.
Do you have the card?
So we will.
Oh, it's right here. I was like, do
see
you have
what
your
this
money?
tastes
Because
like. I thought you were paying it.
I'm cut off.
Okay, cool. So I've never had that drink before.
Me either.
It's only one person in
I
front of us.
kind of wish she didn't tell us, but I'm assuming she has to because.
Yeah, we
like-
need to tell him not to tell us on the next one.
Okay.
Because I want to like be surprised.
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like
But still, it's just a drink, so how crazy
Yeah,
can
I was
it
gonna
get
say, I
here?
feel like it'd be different with food, but like with drinks, she'll probably use it.
Yeah.
Hi.
Hi.
Here's the chai for you.
Thank you. Oh, almost yeeted that over. It's a big drink.
That's
I was expecting
that's
like a
tall boy.
tall.
They ordered a venti, which we should have said tall because I'm not gonna drink all this. But it is a venti chai tea latte, 7 pumps of chai, soy, no water, no foam.
Whoa.
She went off. She went off, ladies.
Go off, sis.
Okay. Throw it out the window. Just kidding. Okay. It's hot, so I'm kind of scared. Oh my gosh.
Is it hot?
No, it's not hot. It tastes like Michael's at Christmas time.
Holy shiesta.
That's a lot to the senses. It's very. How would you describe that?
delicious. I know.
You got it all over.
Sorry, sis. That's delicious. Delicioso.
I'm not a fan. I don't like chai tea. I don't really like chai tea.
I'm not like, oh! Almost went forward.
Fucking drives off a cliff.
That was,
Anyways,
I liked that.
I'm not trying to be weird, but I feel like that's like a classic, like, old lady drink, kinda.
We are here at the Golden Arches.
We're here at the Golden Arches. Okay, so next place is, you guessed it, McDonald's.
McDonald's. And the Policia
Oh my
here.
god. We gonna get the party. The police are here.
Oh wow, what's going on?
Oh my god. Whoa.
Okay.
Oh my god, I think I know that person.
That's just our dash cam.
It's a dash cam. Anyways, so we're here at McDonald's and we're gonna do the same thing, but this time we're going to tell them to not tell us what the person in front of us ordered. So we're a little more surprised.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Order whenever you're ready.
can I just get what the person in front of me ordered?
But can you not tell us?
The exact same thing?
Yes, but if you cannot tell me what it is, please.
Oh, okay. Just go to the first window there.
Okay, thank you so much.
Wow, she did it.
She was nice. She's nice. She's nice. If he just got a drink, I'm gonna cry.
We're hungry.
Here's that.
Thank you.
Thank you. She's like, oh, she doesn't want to know what it is.
No, she don't want to know what it is. And he's like,
she's like rapping. She don't want to know what it is.
I was like, oh,
you do not want to know what it is. You don't want to know what it is. It was like a rap. She's like,
she don't want to know what it. Like she said it so weird.
She said it's so funny.
Oh, should I not park in handicap because there's a cop
no,
right here?
let's not park in a handicap. Just park.
He's like going to jail.
He's going to jail.
Okay.
Okay, the lighting's not good. Nope. I just like tilt that way. You'll be okay. Like she's busy doing stuff.
She's gonna think, okay, there. She's gonna think it's like we're filming them.
You're not in a parking spot.
What am I supposed to do, Kristen?
Pull like, okay, just go to the Walmart parking spot.
Yeah, like I can't just like park across.
I'm not, yeah, but you're in the road.
I'm in the drive-thru. It's not like the road.
No, just go that way.
She don't want to know what it is. I'm all sorry. Sorry, bitch.
Right there, just right there.
I am. Fuck.
Why are you not?
Like, I have to drive correctly. Anyways. She don't want to know what it is.
A large fry. Ah! What is it? Please don't be fish fillet.
Sweet and sour sauce.
Oh, I don't like sweet and sour.
And a double cheeseburger. No pickles!
No.
You forgot the pickles. Oh my gosh, I'm so hungry.
I know, me too. Oh my god.
She don't want to know what it is. Okay, whoever ordered that, you're a queen. Oh, I wonder what the drink is.
Oh. I love the french fries. What was it?
Dr. Peppy.
Dr. Peppy. It's like they knew we were coming.
It's probably like one of our friends we know. And they're like, I'm definitely taking a bite of this.
I was so hungry.
I love McDonald's.
These are salty and good. Sweet and sour sauce with it is a little questionable though. Like,
I'm not like a huge fan of sweet and sour, but I could.
and with the McDouble, that's kind of weird.
People eat sweet and sour with the fries, so let's try it with the McDouble. That look like caramel.
I don't want it with a McDouble.
You have to. It's what they ordered.
That's gross.
It look like caramel, huh?
Ew. I don't really like that, but I mean.
Was it good?
Oh wait. I'm like that girl.
Kombucha girl.
No. Well.
I put that in my mouth so weird.
I haven't ate all day either. I was so hungry.
Can
we have a little bit? Dr. Peppy. Okay, turn off.
I see that was a win.
That made me more hungry.
I know. Okay, let's go to the next spot.
You put another whenever you're ready.
Okay, can I just get what the person had in front of me?
But can you not tell me? Like, exactly what?
Like their exact order?
But say, can you not tell me though? What's her order?
Well, wait until she
Okay.
says yes. And then, I don't want to know though.
What they ordered.
What they ordered.
Didn't order that right at all. Just say it's for a video. Say we're
Okay, thank you.
If you want any sauce.
fire
Fire sauce, please.
All right, $8.94 is your total. I can bring it.
$8.94.
Thank you. Why was I so awkward with that?
You did that so bad, but it's okay.
I think it's because I
But
got
just
caught
tell
off.
him, this
caught
guy
off
is
guard.
like smiling at us.
Oh my gosh, I see a Baja.
Oh my god, is he a Baja? A Baja.
Oh my god, I see a Baja. What if I'm just weird and I want to order what people order?
5 items.
Thank you.
You guys have a great night.
Thanks, you too. Oh, we have a Baja, baby.
We
So,
are Jeffree Star approved.
yes.
We have a Baja Blast.
I've never really like tried any other Baja Blast, so I'm excited. Is it called Baja?
Oh, Shizo, it's cold.
I know.
Okay.
What? She's like, oh, do you want any sauce? Sure. I just spit. Why did she ask me to make
sauce? Yeah, from like two, what are they called? Churro things? Cinna Twist? Yeah, I need some hot fire sauce for me.
Okay, we also got 3 soft tacos. She knows how to order whoever's in front of us.
ASMR ready?
Mmm.
ASMR. This is my ASMR video with Emily. I haven't ordered these like myself in like so long. Oh fuck, I just dropped them all. Sorry.
Soft taco, please.
Oh my god, yum. And we got a soft tacky. Whoa. Ooh, yum.
Just lather
Taco.
that baby up.
Where's the sauce?
I don't even know if you can see that.
I know. Yummy, yummy.
Taco Bell is like my favorite place too.
At the sauce. Soft tacos. Bringing it old school.
I love soft tacos. I know we used to eat these all the time. I'm gonna try the Baja Blast or Baja Freeze.
I'm gonna turn these on. Okay, there we go. Oh, we're still okay.
Ooh, that's good. It's sweet. It's sweet.
Oh, it is sweet.
I am so happy with this order.
It's the Skittles one, I think. Yeah, it's the Skittles one. That tastes like a Skittle. Oh, blue raspberry freeze. But I think it's like this. The Skittles are like limited time thing.
How cute! Whoever ordered this is like,
oh.
Person in front of you ordered?
yes, please. Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, your total is $3.98 for second window.
$3.98.
Thank you.
I didn't really hear
I
what she
didn't-
said either.
Well, there's machine.
I
thingy's,
think
like,
I
broken.
heard nuggets, but I'm not sure.
I heard nugget, but then I plugged my ears and it.
Well, you need to tell them, be like, hi, we're filming a YouTube video and we'd like to order what the person in front of us ordered, but can you not tell us what they ordered? That's all you have to say.
Then you should know. Thank you.
Yes. Bag.
So cute.
We got the bag. Alrighty, let's see.
Ow.
It better be spicy nuggets.
I'm trying to go into this.
It is a French fry and a 4-piece nuggets. And a spicy. If you go to Wendy's, you're ordering spicy nuggets whether you like spice or not.
I don't really like their fries.
And
that
no
much.
sauce. I just like.
Ha.
Oh my god, it's hot.
They're very bland. Oops.
The fries don't hit the same for sure as McDonald's.
Nugget.
And this is supposed to be spicy.
I don't know if I can do this. I like spicy.
Mm-hmm.
Ow, that burnt. Literally, look at my chin.
These aren't as good as the spicy
I
ones
can't
at
even
all.
taste it yet.
So that's kind of disappointing, but it's still good. I'm still gonna eat it. It's like crispy and crunchy and good and hot and fresh, but I still would take these over McDonald's nuggets. I don't like McDonald's nuggets. They're so gross. But these are good, but the spicy are better.